So I'll be showing you how to set the AirPlay PIN code requirement to every time on your Roku TV, so that every time someone wants to connect to your TV via AirPlay, they'll need to enter the code. So from the home screen, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Select that, and it's going to load AirPlay. Then you should see where it says require code. The default is first time only, and that means only the first time a device is connecting to your Roku is going to be required to enter a code. But you can change that and set it to every time, so that every time a device wants to connect to your Roku, they'll have to enter the code. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.